Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little review slash tutorial using the new Ofra and Nikkie Tutorials collab. So there are two highlighters here. You have Cloud 9 and Space Baby. And it's in the new Ofra packaging, which is really pretty. I'll show you in a second. So basically, Nikkie Tutorials has collabed with Ofra in the past, and this is her third collab, I believe. I've never tried anything from Ofra, but I thought these were really pretty, so I ordered them from Ulta. So it says that it is a liquid to baked formula, creates show-stopping pigments that melt into skin. So I have all my makeup done except for highlighter. So here is what the packaging looks like. And then it says on the back, so this is Space Baby. And that's what it looks like. It has a really intense kind of blue shift to it. And Cloud 9 has this intense kind of pink shift to it. Hopefully it's showing up on camera. It has like a pinky duochrome to it. These retailed for $37.70 each Canadian. So with shipping and everything, it came to like over, I think it was like $85 for the two of them, which is pretty pricey. So hopefully they are half decent. Let me just swatch this first. All right, so that is Cloud 9. Hopefully you can see that really intense peachy pink shift. Now let's go into Space Baby. Space Baby is here. It has a really pretty kind of like purpley blue shift to it. So Cloud 9 and Space Baby. So these are probably not going to be everyday highlighters for most people. There's a motorcycle outside, I apologize. They kind of remind me of the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Moonchild, and Aurora Glow Kits. The kind of like crazy colored highlighters. I'm just gonna take the shade, I think I want to do Cloud 9 because I feel like Space Baby is going to be really intense. The packaging, it has a mirror also, which is super convenient. Okay, so I'm just going to apply Cloud 9 on this cheek right here. So that is definitely an intense kind of peachy pink shift. It looks really pretty though. I'm kind of scared, but I'm gonna try Space Baby on the other side and see what happens. So let's just go into Space Baby here. Oh my god. Alright, so we have Space Baby and Cloud 9. Cloud 9 is definitely a lot more subtle than Space Baby, but Space Baby is really actually pretty. It's just very kind of purpley. So if you're not into a colored highlight, you're not gonna like either of these actually, but I feel like this one, Cloud 9, is less intense than Space Baby because Space Baby is like this purple blue shift. So I'm just going to take Space Baby off of my beauty blender a bit and apply Cloud 9. Alrighty. So let me just zoom you guys out and give you my final thought. Alright, so obviously these are intense, you know, they are colored highlighters, they are very creamy, they blend out like a dream, they are super bright, pigmented. So if you're into a colored highlighter, I think you will really like these. This makes me want to try out some of Ofra's more natural colored highlighters and see if the formula is the same, because this formula is bomb. I love the packaging. I love that it has a mirror. I love, the only thing is that the white is getting dirty already, but that's just me. I think that these are super fun and pretty. I don't know if I'm going to use them a ton, but for any like kind of out there looks, I'm probably going to reach for them. I think I'm going to mix this with the Resi highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills just to tone down the pink a little bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'm like 50 followers away from 900. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.